Okay, so let's see if you pointed to all the examples. First, I added in the detail that it's my icy breath was escaping my lungs. That's how cold it was. And then I couldn't just hear any drums. I heard the distant rhythmic Seminole war drums. And the smell, what was the smell I could smell? The smell, the sweet scent of mesquite wood burning next door. And how did I walk? I didn't just walk any which way. I walked confidently around the warriors who were fighting off the bitter cold wind that was trying to work its way through their shiny buffalo skin overcoats. Ooh, it was so cold. Okay, so hopefully you found all those examples of sensory details. So now, you are going to do, first, you're going to skip the exit ticket for today because we basically just did it. So instead, you're going to go back to your diary entry for the tortoise, and you're going to find 5 places where you can add sensory details to make your writing really more interesting and engaging, to help your readers really see what you want them to see. I want you to, after you add your sensory details, underline them or highlight them so I can see where you did those changes. You can use the sensory details resource page, or that's here, that's linked in the tracker, right? See right there, right there, right there, see it? Okay, or you could use your own vocabulary words. You guys are super high vocabulary readers. That's not a thing, but you guys have a lot of vocabulary because you read a lot. So you can use your own vocabulary words, or go to a thesaurus, Google it, find other descriptive words to make your writing interesting. You don't have to share it with me this time. You're going to share your final diary entry with me next week, and that's where I'll get to see all your juicy details. But if you want to share it with me, you can, and maybe next time your diary entry will be featured in the video. All right, you got this. Good luck.